In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Kraken to Bitsgap. So the first thing you have to do here inside Bitsgap is, in case you are in demo mode, you want to exit that. And the way to do this is by actually going to the very top right to your profile, clicking on that, and then where it says demo, just toggle this off. And as you can see here, your demo mode is no longer available. And then you can only see it says you don't have any connected exchanges. Please connect at least one exchange. So just click on that over here, and then from the list, you'll be able to select the exchange. Now, of course, we're doing this right now for Kraken, so go ahead and find Kraken. Should be a bit down, so if you scroll down, there we go, there's Kraken. So click on it, and then that's the first thing you have to do. Now, after this, you want to go to Kraken's official website, and then on their official website, you basically want to log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet, and then whenever you do this, you'll be able to, of course, get the access to your account, and then in here, you want to go to the settings tab, so click on the profile icon in the top right, and then click on settings over here. And now from the settings, you want to navigate over to the API page, which should be up here to the far right. Now, when you are inside the API tab, you'll see it's going to say create API key at the top right. Click on this purple button over here. And when you do this, it's going to give you kind of this box over here. The first thing you want to do here is make sure you actually prepare everything correctly, okay? And the way you do this is, first, you want to go back to your Bitsgap, and here you will receive these IP addresses. You want to copy these, so just click on this copy button over here, and then you will have to paste them here where it says IP address restriction, and then turn this on and paste in these addresses. The other settings should be, as you can see them on the screenshot over here. I've pulled a screenshot from their official help website from Bitsgap, so that's how they are saying it has to be. As you can see here, the funds permissions, and you can see all the other things as well. You can just copy these, you can pause this video, and then come back whenever you've done these and whenever you have these settings set as they are here on my screen. Now, when you've done that, you want to click on generate key here at the very bottom, and what you'll get is the API key and then the private key here. Now, once you do that, the following steps are actually very simple. All you have to do is the following. You want to go to Bitsgap, and then here it's going to say Kraken. The API key should be the one from over here, and then the private key the one from over here. So just copy them and then paste them in here, and then here you should be able to just click on connect, and whenever you do that, you should then see it's going to look like this. So it's going to say Kraken and then connected here inside your exchanges. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.